Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Prop Chat, the podcast where we dive into the highs and lows of trading. Here, you have a unique chance to learn from the success and mistakes of our prominent guests. Today we've got a special guest. He started like most of us, looking at charts at 2 a.m. and stressing about losing money. Today, he has cracked the code and turned strategies into success and profits. He comes from Greece, but in recent years, he's been living in Sweden. He's 44. He works as consultant spine surgeon in Uppsala University Hospital in Sweden. So please welcome our Sabio star, Ioannis Georgopoulos. Hello, Ioannis.
Hello, Victor.
Thank you for accepting our invitation and becoming our guest here at the Prop Chat podcast. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, Victor, and thank you for the invitation.
Great. So let's start with blitz questioning. Just respond quickly. Even stupid answers are accepted. All right. So if you were a trading chart pattern, which one would you be?
So, Victor, I don't believe in chart patterns. So I will say I will probably be an overnight trade and not a pattern.
All right, that's good. So, but what's the weirdest thing that you've ever Googled about trading?
Yes, I have Googled almost everything I can find about trading, but honestly, it was quite difficult to understand this amount of information. So I tried to use the ChatGPT AI and just get tips. How should I do next day? How should I trade the next day? But, you'd never get an answer from this kind of programs like artificial intelligence. So I think it's many things I have Googled, but as I say, the amount of information for someone who is not a professional trader is difficult to understand.
If you had one word to describe how you feel during drawdown days, what word would it be?
Disappointed.
All right.
That's the truth.
I can feel it too. Yeah, I know. So another one. What's the first thing that you'd buy if you made $1 million, tomorrow?
Probably it will be a nice boat.
And the final question of our short blitz. If you had to explain trading to, let's say, to an alien, how would you do it in 5 words?
Yes, I think it's adrenaline full meditation. It's something between feeling this adrenaline and have 100% focus on what you do.
Great, that's very wise words. I would never say it better than you, sir. So now we know each other very well. We know everything about you. Huh? All right. So please tell us more about your trading path. How did you start?
I started about 2015. Mm-hmm. It's like 10 years ago, and the reason I started, it was a yearly national investing contest here in Sweden. So I got tips from a friend, and we said, okay, we can try. It was like fake money with a real prize. So we did it for a couple of weeks, and I got the first place this year. So I thought, yes, I can do that. I can do that in real life, in real markets. And I started, but the result was not so good. When we're talking fake money in a contest and real money in the real market, there are many factors which is not the same. It's the risk is much bigger, and the risk can influence our behavior, how we behave as investors. So I started, we can say 2015, with a very big success. And then I realized that I need to work harder. I need to understand how the markets is moving from day to day. And it took about 5 years until I can say I felt confident in trading.
Staying informed is key, but why limit yourself? At Sabio, we offer exclusive educational materials designed to make you a trading pro. Expert-led webinars, strategies, and guides tailored to your style, in-depth trade analysis and insights. Upgrade your trading knowledge with Sabio's resources.
Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
So it's like 2015, it's like 9 years. That's a lot of experience. But in these 9 years, what was, but please be honest, what's the dumbest, what's the stupidest trade that you've ever made? And how fast did you regret it?
I think that the dumbest thing I've done is to take an extremely big risk on Friday and risking all the profits of the week in one trade. And it was more like a wishful thinking. I thought I wished that the market will move the way I was placed. I was trading and just lost everything in like 15 minutes. And I regret it. The first moment I clicked on the sell button, I hoped. Yes, it was just a hope because I was not sure that the market will go down. I understand that it was a wrong position, but still I denied to close the position. I'm still thinking that, okay, it will turn around and I will get right in the end, but it was wrong. So I had a very big loss in like 15, 20 minutes.
That's actually pretty common mistakes. All of us make it during the rookie days. By the way, about the rookie days, if you could go back in time to your rookie days, what would you change? What would you do differently?
Risk management.
Uh-huh.
Absolutely. The first thing all traders need to understand that we need to manage the risk we take in every trade. Then sometimes to accept a loss and close our trade and don't wish that the market will turn and and that it will favor us. And try not to overtrade and never do revenge trading.
Yeah, if we only knew.
Yeah. This feeling of revenge trading, you lose a trade and you want to.
But yeah, it comes later. It comes with your experience. But let's go back to today. What made you choose Sabio? What was the main factor? Was it, I don't know, features, or was it just the vibe of Sabio?
I like the platform. I think it's very easy to understand and very easy to use. I like that it only has one step evaluation. And of course, I read about Sabio reviews in the internet, and I only find positive reviews, which is it's an important thing to trust the company.
Sure, we have a lot of positive reviews. We have. So now that you are a real pro, what's your trading strategy, and how did you come up with it?
Yes, the strategy is simple. I can say that I want to keep it simple. I don't have the time, I don't have the energy to understand how all the assets works. I only choose to trade indices, 2 indices, DAX, Germany index, and Nasdaq. So I try to collect the information from the day before, and of course the news from the same day. I trade only in opening hours and just a few times during the day. I like to use the reflexes that the markets have. I can in specific say that I like to trade DAX in the Wall Street opening hours because I have noticed that the market in Germany, it reacts. This reaction maybe is not for the whole season. I've been from 15:30 until the Germany closes. But for the first 30 minutes, I think it's quite clear that Germany usually reacts and follows Wall Street.
Yeah, mostly. And what's been your biggest win so far?
It's not a very impressive amount of money, maybe 2,000-3,000 euros in one trade.
It's still good numbers. It's still good numbers. So let's add a tiny little bit of motivation for our viewers. What's this one thing about being a trader that most people just don't understand? And why is it so cool?
Yes, I think that the people who have never tried trading, they think it's just gambling.
No.
And this is wrong. This is wrong. I like trading, and I think that all traders have the same feeling when they are in the laptop or the telephone and trading of focus, that we need to be 100% focused on what we do. And we also know that it's our decision. It's nobody else who can help us. It's no other person's responsibility. It's 100% our responsibility what we do.
Absolutely. It's more of a science than the gambling part.
And one more thing, the truth is that you have freedom. If you became profitable, you can trade from another place. You can be on a vacation and do some trades. But in my opinion, we should have our work we like, and then the trading will be like a side income, because the risk is quite big.
But what's your game plan? What's the plan for you? Maybe, I don't know, maybe any specific profit goals for your current funded accounts?
For my current funded accounts, I think I will use them to continue learning. But in some time, when I feel ready, I will purchase the biggest account Sabio offers. I think it's the premium or ultimate, the biggest one, and I will try to have a 10% profits per month, which I have seen it's possible.
But do you follow any specific sources for, I don't know, market news or analysis?
Yes, but as I said, Victor, from the beginning, I try to keep it simple. So I use a website called Investing.
I know.
There you can find a lot of information, and the amount of information, it's enough for me. I mean, as I said before, I don't have time to go in a very deep analysis of the markets. So I see how the indices, how the markets are moving. I read the news, and then I choose my trade, if it will be a sell or buy.
Sure, luck won't get you far. That's absolutely correct. So, and the surprise part that I've been talking about. Let's take a quiz. All right? So, you choose the topic, and then we will ask you 3 questions. If you answer one of them correctly, you become the happy owner of a Sabio t-shirt. If you answer 2 of them correctly, then you get a mouse, like a computer mouse, laptop mouse with the logo of Sabio. And if you get a hat trick, then you grab our 5K assessment account. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, then start. We have 3 topics. The first one, trading strategies. The second one, market psychology. And the third one, SabioTrade. Which one will you choose, sir?
We'll choose SabioTrade.
All right. And here are those 3 questions, sir. So, what unique features does SabioTrade offer to help traders increase their profit?
I think the margin, 1 to 30 maximal margin. I think the easy payouts that Sabio offers. As I said before, the one-step assessment is very important. That trader can get the funds after one assessment without any additional evaluations. Yeah, I think the 3 things I come in mind right now.
And I can tell you we can call these the correct answer. Ding, 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 ding. Do we have the sound for the correct answers? All right, let's move on to the second one, sir. Can you explain the role of the of the Trading Academy in SabioTrade and how it supports traders in their growth.
I believe that the Sabio Academy is very important. Every new trader should go through and watch all the videos. You get information and you get to understand how trading works. You get to understand the risk management and the trading techniques. So I think everybody, before they start trading, should go through the academy. And my favorite part was the risk management.
Yeah, that's a great part. My favorite part is personalized coaching, all this tailored mentorship to address individual trading goals. Yeah. So, and the third one, the final one, what tariffs do we offer? Can you name all 5 of them?
I think I remember correct. The first one is the essential. We have plus, ultimate, advanced.
And the final one?
Yeah, the last one is the one I want to purchase now. It's the prime.
Prime. We have a winner. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. So now you are an owner of the 5K assessment account. So I believe that's pretty much it, sir. I'd like to thank you for being here, for being our guest, for sharing your wisdom with us and with our viewers. And we'd like to invite you for the second time to share another success story of yours. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was our Greek star from Sweden, Ioannis Georgopoulos. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Victor.
I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
Just a friendly reminder, SabioTrade stands out with its one-step assessment, 100% refundable fee, and premium perks like multiple plans, a trading academy, and mentorship, empowering traders to succeed risk-free.